now showing off her new tricks.
Yes, okay, so we found out that you love basketball, you love to burp, you can do both on command, and now you've combined the two talents.
Yes.
Okay, hold on, before you do it real quick, I understand that in the future you have an idea for a line of something?
Yes.
What's the plan here?
Well, I wanted to do a dog calling line too. Yeah. And I wanted to do sports.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but is it something to do with burping? Is it going to be a burping clothing line? Is that what you're telling me? Is that what's going on? Maybe?
You never know.
Okay, India. All right. Just to horrify your mom just a little bit more, we want you to burp and dribble the basketball at the same time. Now, do you shoot the basketball or you just dribble right now?
I just dribble.
Okay. All right. Is there anything I can do to help you? Just get out of the way? Okay. I'll just get out of your way. Ladies and gentlemen, India, the world's loudest burping girl playing basketball at the same time. Yeah, she can do both at the same time.
Look at over here. No, can we do that? Get their shot back over here. Can you do it again? You got mom embarrassed over here. But the bartenders are loving it. Do it again. Do it again.
Into this. One more time.
Okay, down to the bartenders.
Very nice, India. Very nice. You are adorable. You really are adorable.
We've clearly done everything on Good Day.
All right, back to you.
I think we're ready to drop the mic on this show. All right, thanks, guys.